This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by forcing a restart. Hold power about 10 seconds and release when the screen goes dark. Once done, watch the boot process for the safe mode label. That confirms the state. If safe mode still appears, pull down the notification panel and check for a safe mode toggle or message. Make sure to note any apps installed in the last 24 to 48 hours. They often cause the trigger, so list them now for the next phase. You now remove the likely cause. Boot normally and open settings, then apps. Sort by date or recently used to surface suspects. Once identified, uninstall one app and then reboot to test if safe mode clears. This isolates the offender. If an app won't uninstall, disable it or clear its cache and data, then reboot again. Make sure to repeat until safe mode is gone, because removing the single problematic app usually resolves. You finish by escalating only if apps didn't help. Backup contacts, photos, and files, then perform a factory reset from settings system. This clears persistent issues. Once done, if you need a quick check, press power and long press restart to use the safe mode toggle. That can toggle the state without wiping data. If errors remain, boot into recovery and clear the cache partition before a reset. Tip: if safe mode reappears after reset, hardware or firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.